Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make hot chocolate. So, what we need for this is hot chocolate packet, a mixing spoon, a cup, and some milk, or water. I like to use milk though. But you can use water if you want. So first what we do is we get our cup, and we pour the milk into our cup. Make sure you put it on the table so it doesn't spill everywhere. Also make sure that it's not too full so it doesn't spill everywhere. And close the lid back on the milk gallon when you're done. Next what we do is we put the glass of milk into the microwave and we heat it up for 1 minute. I just like to use milk because it makes the hot chocolate taste a lot better, but if you like you can use water or a mix between water and milk. Now, after the milk is done heating up, it will be hot. So make sure before you take it out you wear gloves so you don't get your hands burned if you accidentally spill it. Also make sure, when you're taking out the glass, to hold it with 2 hands so it doesn't spill everywhere. So we hold it like this so it doesn't spill, and then we put it back down on the table or a flat surface. After that, what we do is we get our hot chocolate packet, tear it all the way so it can make a big opening, and then pour all the powder into the milk. Tap the top of the packet so all the powder gets out. Last what we do is we get our mixing spoon and we mix the powder until all of it mixes with the milk. Make sure to get some of the powder on the top of the milk to go inside of it. Once all the powder is mixed, your drink will be done. If it's still hot, just wear your gloves again. And enjoy! Delicious. Make sure you put the milk back in the fridge so it doesn't spoil. And your hot chocolate is done. Enjoy your cup of hot chocolate.